Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue east on US Highway 98 from mile 650 near 20 Mile Bend in unincorporated Palm Beach County. We're approaching the county's more densely developed western suburbs. The highway remains divided by a broad grassy median with 2 lanes in each direction and a narrow paved shoulder along the right. US 98 is concurrent here with US Highway 441 and State Road 80. We now enter Wellington, and the roadway expands to 3 lanes in each direction. US 98 is locally known as Southern Boulevard along this corridor. Wellington is incorporated as a village and had an estimated population of 62,662 as of 2025. Its median household income was $115,632, while the median value of an owner-occupied home was $599,400 based on the latest Census Bureau figures. The community takes its name from New York investor Charles Oliver Wellington, who began purchasing this frequently flooded land in 1951. The Acme Drainage District was created in 1953, transforming thousands of acres into productive farmland. At one time, this area reportedly contained the world's largest strawberry patch. Residential development accelerated during the 1970s, and Wellington officially became a municipality at the end of 1995. Today, it's internationally known for equestrian sports. Nearby venues host polo, dressage, and show jumping, including the Winter Equestrian Festival during the winter and early spring. US 98 now forms the municipal boundary with the town of Loxahatchee Groves on our left and Wellington remaining on our right. Loxahatchee Groves has worked hard to preserve its rural and agricultural character despite the suburban development surrounding it. The town had an estimated population of 3,462 according to the 2024 American Community Survey. Settlement began after the West Palm Beach Canal was completed in 1917, opening the area to farming and drainage projects. Citrus, tomatoes, and other crops were once important parts of the local economy. Residents voted to incorporate in 2006, largely to protect the area from rapid development. The name Loxahatchee comes from Seminole or Muskogee words commonly translated as River of Turtles. The town still promotes itself as Florida's last frontier, with larger properties, nurseries, farms, equestrian facilities, and unpaved local roads beyond the highway. The boundary changes again with Wellington on our right and the village of Royal Palm Beach on our left. Royal Palm Beach had an estimated population of 42,477 as of 2025. The village's median household income was $96,027, and the median value of an owner-occupied home was $437,700. Royal Palm Beach was incorporated in 1959 after developers began draining and preparing thousands of acres for a planned residential community. The name was chosen to combine the prestige of Palm Beach with the stately royal palms associated with the area. The village grew rapidly during the 1980s and is now known for its extensive parks and green space. It has been recognized as a Tree City USA since 1990, and the entire village is designated as a bird sanctuary. As we continue through Royal Palm Beach, the highway gains a more heavily landscaped appearance with a grassy median and long rows of palm trees. We now approach the grade-separated junction with State Road 7. This is where our lengthy concurrency with US 441 comes to an end after roughly 70 miles together. US 441 takes the exit on the right, turns south, and joins State Road 7. Together they continue toward Green Acres, Boca Raton, and Fort Lauderdale. The same exit also provides access to northbound State Road 7 toward Okeechobee Boulevard and the growing communities of western Palm Beach County. We remain on US-98 East, while State Road 80 continues concurrent with US-98 along Southern Boulevard toward West Palm Beach and Palm Beach. We're approaching Fairgrounds Road with the South Florida Fairgrounds located nearby on our left. The fair began in 1912 as the Palm Beach County Fair and now holds its main 17-day event during the latter part of January. The grounds also contain exhibition facilities and Yesteryear Village, a collection of historic and reconstructed buildings representing earlier life in South Florida. After we cross Fairgrounds Road, we're once again traveling through unincorporated Palm Beach County. We conclude today's video at mile 662. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.